During 2020, many people installed Microsoft Teams on their computer. But that means that there are now many people where every time they switch on their computer, Microsoft Teams pops up. Here's how to fix that. The first thing you want to do is enter the lion's den and open Microsoft Teams. Then click the arrow up icon to find the Microsoft Teams icon. Once you've found it, right-click it and select Settings. Then scroll down and you'll see the option to auto start the application. So I'm going to turn that off. And the other option is Open Application in Background. So every time you switch on your computer, instead of Microsoft Teams popping up in your face, you can have it minimize and just give you notifications. But usually that affects the startup time of the computer, so I'm also going to put that off. And if you want to, every time you close the application, you can also keep it minimized at the bottom to give you new notifications. But again, if I close Microsoft Teams, I probably don't want to be using it. So I also have that off. And once you're done with those settings, you can close this, close the program, and the next time you open it, all these settings will be applied. So that's that. I hope you found this helpful. Alright everybody, thank you for watching. If you can, please press the like and subscribe button. The like button helps this video get recommended to even more people, and the subscribe button helps the channel to grow so that I can help even more people. Thank you again, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.